Today we start with another subtopic of the three-dimensional geometry, that is plane passing through intersection of two planes. Equation of plane passing through intersection of two planes. If we take in the vector form, let r is equal to a plus lambda say m, और I take it this is the equation of line not plane. ये लाइन की लिख दी मैंने, इसमें लिखेंगे let r is equal to let r dot n is equal to d1 and r dot m is equal to d2 be equations of plane given to us. ठीक है, then equation of plane passing through intersection of above planes. It is simply given by r dot n plus r dot m is equal to d1 plus d2, or you can take the lambda time of d2. ठीक है, it becomes r dot n plus lambda times of this and lambda times of this. So r dot n plus lambda m is equal to d1 plus lambda times of d2 in the vector form. In Cartesian form, if a x1, or you can say a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2z plus d2 are given equation of planes, then equation of plane through intersection of above planes is, it is a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 plus lambda times of a2x b2y c2z plus d2 is equal to 0. Based on this, we have the example number 20 on the page number 486 of your NCERT. Find the vector equation of the plane passing through the intersection of the planes and the point 1, 1, 1. Now given equation of planes are r dot I plus j plus k is equal to 6 and r dot 2i plus 3j plus 4k is equal to minus 5. So equation of plane through intersection of above planes is given by r dot I plus j plus k plus lambda times of r dot 2i plus 3j plus 4k is equal to 6 minus 5 times of lambda. Or you can take r dot I plus 1 plus 2 lambda I 1 plus 3 lambda j and 1 plus 4 lambda k. Collecting the components of I, j and k here, 6 minus 5 lambda. As it is given that the plane is passing through the point 1, 1, 1, since above plane passes through point 1, 1 and 1. So, we place R as 1i, 1j, 1k. Therefore, 1i, 1j, 1k cap with a dot product with 1 plus 2 lambda I cap, 1 plus 3 lambda j cap, 1 plus 4 lambda k cap, 6 minus 5 lambda. Now, we have the dot product of these components. So, on dot product of I with I, we get 1 plus 2 lambda, 1 plus 3 lambda with the j component and 1 plus 4 lambda with the k component. 6 minus 5 lambda, which is 3, 9 lambda, it becomes 14 lambda is equal to 3. So, value of lambda becomes 3 upon 14. Therefore, equation of required plane is, placing the value of lambda here, r dot 1 plus 6 upon 14 I cap 1 plus 9 upon 14 j cap 1 plus 12 upon 14 k cap is equal to 6 minus 15 upon 14. It gives you 14 and 6, 20. R cap with the dot of 20i, 23 of j, 26 of k for 84, 84 and 5, 7 69. Cancelling 14 in the denominator from the both sides. So, we get r dot 20i plus 23j plus 26k is equal to 69 is the required equation of the plane. Now, another subtopic is the coplanarity of the two planes. If two planes are coplanar, means they are lying on the same plane, then of two lines, coplanarity of two lines. अब लाइन्स की इक्वेशन क्या थी? लेट r इज इक्वल टू से a1 प्लस लैम्डा m1 एंड r इज इक्वल टू a2 प्लस से म्यू ऑफ m2 are two lines. Then they are coplanar. कब वो कोप्लेनर कंडीशन आ जाएगी a2 माइनस a1 डॉट m1 क्रॉस m2 इज इक्वल टू 0. देन दे आर नोन एज अ कोप्लेनर. ठीक है, कार्टेशियन फॉर्म में देखें हम, इन कार्टेशियन फॉर्म यहाँ भी लिख देता हूँ, इन कार्टेशियन फॉर्म if x minus x1 upon a1, y minus y1 upon b1, z minus z1 upon c1 and x minus x2 upon a2, y minus y2 upon b2, z minus z2 upon c2 are equations of lines. Then they are coplanar, means lying on the same plane if x2 minus x1, this y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, their determinant is equal to 0. That is the condition for the coplanar lines. इस पर बेस्ड एग्जांपल देखते हैं. वी आर गिवन विद द लाइन्स. इफ वी टेक द एग्जांपल 21 here, x plus 3 upon minus 3, y minus 1 upon 1, z minus 5 upon 5, x plus 1 upon minus 1, y minus 2 upon 2, z minus 5 upon 5. और यू कैन राइट इट एज, यहाँ x प्लस 3 है ना, तो इसको लिख लीजिए x माइनस माइनस 3 minus minus 1. Now here x1, y1, z1 is minus 3, minus 1 and 5, and x2, y2, z2 is minus 1, 2 and 5. a1 minus 3, b1 1, c1 5, a2 minus 1, b2 2 and c2 5. लिख लेते हैं यहाँ पर बेशक. here x1 as minus 3, y1 as 1, z1 as 5, a1 as minus 3, b1 as 1 and c1 as 5. Then x2 is minus 1, y2 is 2 and z2 is 5, a2 is minus 1, b2 is 2 and c2 is 5. So now since x2 minus x1, a1, a2, y2 minus y1, b1, b2, z2 minus z1, c1, c2, we have to place them in the determinant because we have to show whether they are coplanar lines or not. So we place the value here. So x2 minus x1, minus 1 plus 3 gives you 2, 2 minus 1 gives you 1, 5 minus 5 gives you 0, minus 3 minus 1, 1, 2, 5, 5. Plus 2, 5 minus 10 is minus 5, minus 15 plus 5, चलिए, plus 0 into something is 0. It's minus 10 plus 10, the answer is 0. It implies lines are coplanar. Lines कैसी हैं यहाँ पर? They are coplanar. Based on this, you have to do the questions. मैं बताता हूँ एक्सरसाइज में आप क्वेश्चंस कहाँ तक कर पाएंगे. अब up to question number 10, you can easily do the questions because based on this I have discussed the concepts and the examples questions with you. तो 10 तक आप क्वेश्चन ट्राई कीजिए. 11.3, we have more concepts. We discuss it in the next lecture. Till then, thank you.